I'm going to look at segmenting this string. I'm going to use the Strings menu, Strings Edit, and Segment Strings. The segment string option works by inserting extra points on an arc or line segment of a superstring to break it into smaller arc or line segments. First, I'm going to divide the segment by number. I'm going to pick the segment, pick and accept, and it wants to know the number of parts. So I'm going to say 5 parts. And when I hit enter, it will actually tell me the current segment length and what each segment length will be. So I'm going to process that. Now I'm going to use the toggle button and I'm going to toggle on the vertices so I can see the points. There are 4 new points created on the string to give 5 sub-segments, so new segments along the string. To use another option, we have one here by 1 distance. I can select that. It wants to know the distance now. So I'm going to type in 12.5. I'm going to pick my segment, which is this segment here, and I'm going to process that. And I can see that I have my new point here created on the string at 12.5 meters, and it's only created the 1 point. The last option I have here is that I can create segments by distance. Now it's wanting to know a distance, so I'm going to type in 10 meters. I'm going to pick my segment required, which is the bottom one down here, accept. It's telling me that the overall current segment length is 158, and then I'm going to be left with 8 at the end. So I'm going to process that, and my new points have been created. And when I bring up the string inquire and pick on one of the points, I can see that there are now 27 points on that string.